Financial Maths Compound Interest, Example 3. 5,000 invested at 4% annual equivalent rate, and we're to find firstly the monthly equivalent rate. Well, we have to change the annual equivalent rate, I, to the monthly equivalent rate, R. Now the multiplier for the monthly equivalent rate is 1 plus R, and when we apply this 12 times, it's the same as applying the annual equivalent rate 1 plus I just the once. Therefore we have this equivalence ratio. This should be known by heart. Changing the subjective formula, if we get the 12th root and take 1 from both sides, we have that the 12th root of 1 plus I minus 1 is equal to R, the monthly equivalent rate. This formula should really be learned off by heart because it's very common in questions. So in our question, we get the 12th root of 1.04 because it's 4% and subtract 1. Sub this into the calculator exactly like it is. Now always get this to 4 decimal places, and it's 0.0033 when rounded off to 4 decimal places. Important to remember 4 decimal places is the right amount for this. Now in the question what we're asked to get is the future value. So the formula for this is that f, the future value, is equal to the present value multiplied by 1 plus the rate of interest multiplied by t, the number of times the rate of interest is applied. So in our question, part 1, we're looking at 3.5 years. We want to change this to months. 3.5 years, 3.5 multiplied by 12 is 42 months. So t in this question is 42. So subbing the things we know into the formula, f is equal to 5,000 by 1.0033 to the power of 42. Put this in the calculator, and we see the answer is 5,735 and 77 cents. The second part is done exactly the same way. 5 years and 2 months. Well, 5 12s are 60, so this is 62 months. So in this question, the only difference is that t is equal to 62. Again, sub everything into the formula for future value, and we have 5,000 multiplied by 1.0033 to the power of 62, and this time the answer is 6,123.26. And that's how you change the rate of interest. Important.